Hi, today we're taking a look at assignment number 2, Formatting 101. So the instructions for this one actually tell you what to do. So as you can see, it says use the formatting options in the Home tab as well as the right-click formatting options to format each part as it describes. So we take a look, it asks us to make 10 point times New Roman. So we highlight, or you can triple click. You can see that it's already in 10 point font, but we want to change it to Times New Roman. So we click on that option, go up to Times New Roman, and we can see that the font style has changed. Next one, italic, 10 point Times New Roman. So again, triple click will highlight it. I can change it to Times New Roman, and right click on it again. I want italic, so that is my I. So I can press I. Next one, we want bold italic. So triple click again. Sometimes it's a pain. So I want bold italic Times New Roman, and I already have the 10. Next one, we want italic. So this time I'm going to press Control I to get the italic. I want 12 point. So I'm going to go up to the top, change that to 12 point, and Times New Roman. I can change that up here as well. So again, there's multiple options on how to change lots of the different parts here. So 10 point Arial. So I highlight it, change it to Arial. And again, this is one of the ones that shows up regularly. If it's not there, just come down here. Arial pops up. They're in alphabetical order. We want italic 10 point Arial. So again, change it to Arial. And we need 10 point and italics. Bold italic 10 point. Now, one of the shortcuts is if you look at multiple lines, you'll notice both these lines are Arial. So I can highlight both of them, change both of them at the same time to Arial. Now this one, both of them I want italic, so I can put an italic. I want this one bold, so Control B to get bold. And this one I want 12 point. So instead of using the 10 up here, I'm going to upsize it, 11, upsize to 12. So next one, 12 point times New Roman. So I'll change it to 12 times New Roman. There we go. And I want subscript. So I highlight the word subscript with a double click. Now if I go up here, we have X with a little 2 after it. That's a subscript. And if I want a superscript, again, double click. There we go. And I can superscript it. Next one, 12 point Arial highlighted in yellow. So change it to 12 point. I want Arial. So go up to Arial. Now I want to highlight it in yellow. So again, if I want all the colors, or it's already got yellow, and now I have it highlighted in yellow. Next thing we're going to take a look at is how to deal with the paragraph. So we want to highlight the paragraph, triple click on it, and we have 10 point times New Roman done already. Now for justification, that's where you line up the different sides. So you can line up the left side, you can line up the right side, you can put it right in the middle, or you can justify it where both sides are the same length. So in this case, we're starting off with a left justify. We want a full justification. So when we click that, this right-hand side is going to equal out a little bit more, and it lines up quite nicely. So this is sometimes referred to as a jagged edge because the right-hand side will keep changing where it ends. If you completely justify it or full justification, then you'll line up that side. So it'll adjust the spacing between the letters to make that happen. The next part we want to do is double space this. So I click on paragraph, and we're looking at line spacing, changing it to double. So we don't have to put in the extra spacing. It will automatically put in the extra spacing for us. Finally, we want a border. So we click on border, and we want an all outside border. So we want a 1 point border. So we click on our border again, go into borders and shading at the bottom, and now we can start to apply things. So we take a look at the border. We want a 1 point, so we adjust it to 1 point, and we want a box. Second, we want shading, and it asks us for 5% shading. Click on shading. Right now it's clear, and we want to change that to 5%. So when I click on OK, It will apply that to the whole thing. And when I click off, now you can see that we have a black border, 1 point thick, and we have a little bit of shading. So for the next two, you're on your own for these paragraphs. So you know how to change the font, you know how to change the alignment, the spacing, and put in the border and change the color of that border. So to change the color of the border, if I click on this paragraph, go to my borders and shading, you can see that I have the width, so I can change it to something big, and I can also change the color. Automatically does black, but if I want, I could change that to red. And there we go with the thick red one. So make sure you don't change this one, keep it a 1 point border in black, and change it to 5%. So good luck with the assignment.